All right, if you're watching this, congratulations. You have made it to the final example for this final lesson of week number 2 here in geometry class. We're going to look at example 5, which is recognizing and factoring a perfect square trinomial. So once you've recognized that you have a perfect square trinomial, can we factor it? So let's go through our steps. First, let's identify, is this one a perfect square trinomial? Well, is 36h squared a perfect square? Can you think of what you'd have to multiply by itself to make 36h squared? Well, what's the square root of 36? If you know that to be 6, we're in good shape, because then we can think that 6h could be our side length of a square. 6h times 6h would make 36h squared. I would say yes. That is good. Okay, what about, is negative 12h equal to negative 2 times 6h times 1? Well, let's take a look. Hey, would you like to say hello? Come over here. This is one of my nephews. You lost another tooth. Can you tell them what your name is? Ajax. That is my little nephew, Ajax, one of the twin brothers, Ajax and Remy. All right, so let's get back to that question. We have to look at our second idea. So if we do negative 2 times our square root of our first term and the square root of our last term, do we get the middle one, negative 12h? Well, let's see. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. We've got the h. The 1 doesn't change the story, so yes, I would say that looks good. And is 1 a perfect square? Well, 1 is easy to make a square root of. It's just 1 times 1, so yes, it is. All right, this trinomial satisfies all the conditions for a perfect square trinomial. Yes, it does. So let's rewrite it. Okay, so what are we going to get? It's going to be 6h plus 1 squared. And there we go. Great. Well, excellent job making it through that. And I wish you luck on whatever assessment you have at the end of the week covering all this, and enjoy your weekend. All right, I'll see you next week.